How to fix PayPal suspicious activity error. If you got this error message while using the app of PayPal, then you'll need to immediately verify the activity. So for example, if you actually try to log into PayPal using a different device, you'll need to verify that it is actually you trying to access your account. Also, what you can do is try to clear out the app cache of PayPal. Just tap and hold the app, head over to this app info or eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, make sure you also switch to a known device if you're currently trying to log in from a unknown device, or if this is your first time logging in from a new device. If the issue still persists, what you can do is make sure that you disable any sort of VPNs that you may be connected to. And lastly, what you can do is try to contact the customer support of PayPal. So open up a web browser, search for PayPal customer support, and you'll be able to see the first link where you can actually add in all of your details and all of the issues that you're currently facing. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.